Welcome to Skyview Estates by Beazer Homes, a brand new community located in Henderson, Nevada. In this video, Angelo Home Tours is showcasing one of Henderson's newest single-story home communities, offering modern floor plans, energy-efficient features, and a convenient location close to shopping, dining, entertainment, and outdoor recreation. Before exploring the community, here's a quick guide on how to get to Skyview Estates by Beazer Homes from the Bellagio Fountains on the Las Vegas Strip. As shown on the map, the drive takes you from the heart of the Strip to Henderson, where Skyview Estates offers convenient access to major roadways, making it easy to reach shopping, dining, entertainment, and everyday essentials. One of the nearby highlights is Cadence Central Park, the signature park within the Cadence Master Plan community. This impressive destination features wide open green spaces, walking and biking trails, pickleball and basketball courts, playgrounds, splash pads, picnic areas, and plenty of room for outdoor recreation, making it a great place for families and anyone who enjoys an active lifestyle. Now that you know where Skyview Estates is located and some of the nearby amenities, let's take a closer look at what this community has to offer. Select home sites offer elevated mountain and city views, while some floor plans include the option for a 3-car garage, providing additional storage and flexibility. Every home in the community also includes solar, helping homeowners enjoy greater energy efficiency from day one. Now, let's explore the available home plans. Aspen Plan. The Aspen starts from $599,990. This thoughtfully designed home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,917 square feet. The Aspen features bright, open living spaces where the kitchen flows seamlessly into the great room, creating an inviting area for everyday living and entertaining. A covered patio extends the living space outdoors, while the private primary suite is separated from the secondary bedrooms to provide a peaceful retreat. The home also includes solar panels and 1 EV charger pre-wire for added convenience. These are the available exterior elevations and the standard floor plan. Sierra Plan. Starting from $631,990, the Sierra offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,251 square feet. Designed for both comfort and functionality, the Sierra features an open-concept kitchen connected to the dining area and great room, making it perfect for everyday living or entertaining guests. The covered patio creates additional outdoor living space, while the private primary suite and well-positioned secondary bedrooms provide comfort and privacy. Like every home in Skyview Estates, the Sierra includes solar panels and 1 EV charger pre-wire. These are the available exterior elevations and the standard floor plan. Vail Plan. The Vail starts from $650,990. This flexible single-story design offers 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, 2,436 to 2,646 square feet. The Vail combines spacious living with modern convenience through its open-concept great room, kitchen, and dining area. The covered patio is perfect for indoor-outdoor living, while the private primary suite is thoughtfully separated from the secondary bedrooms. A versatile study provides additional space that can be customized to fit a variety of lifestyles. Solar panels and one EV charger pre-wire are also included. These are the available exterior elevations and the standard floor plan. Here are the quick move-in homes currently available in the Skyview Estates community. Thank you for watching this tour of Skyview Estates by Beazer Homes in Henderson, Nevada. If any of these floor plans caught your attention and you'd like to schedule a private tour of this community, or explore other new home communities throughout Las Vegas and Henderson, save Angelo's number and reach out anytime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so you won't miss future home tours from Angelo Home Tours. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next home tour.